welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail and I'm coming to you with another video. I am super excited about this one, as I always am, but I have a thrift haul for you guys today. And recently I did a thrift tour here in Oklahoma City. I think we actually did Midwest City, Del City, with my good friend Landi from Virtuous Styles. And we just took a group of women around showing them some of the better thrift stores in those cities. And I got a bunch of stuff, so I wanted to share it with you all. We went to several Goodwills, Uptown Thrift, and Value Village. So if you're interested to see what I got, then keep on watching. Before we get into the video, guys, of course I'll do an outfit of the day. I've been doing some vlogging, so you may or may not see that content. This outfit is in that, but anyway, this sweater is from OKC Thrift. If I can find the video for it, I will link it up here for you to check out. These pants are from the Salvation Army, and for shoes I just wore my vintage BCBG pumps that I got from OKC Family Thrift. They were $1, and then all of my jewelry is from, so this ring, these bracelets, this necklace are from Italo Jewelry, and these earrings are from Louis, I don't know. I will link the videos up here for you to check them out, but love these pieces. They are classic and I feel like they are great for this outfit. And then at work I had on a Bagatelle blazer, faux leather blazer. These glasses are like my very first pair of glasses from Vogue Me, now Vogue Glam. I will have them linked down below if they are still available. Let's go ahead and get into this thrift haul because I am excited. I'm going to start with the smaller thrift stores because I only got a couple of items. I didn't get a ton of stuff from them. And then we'll finish up with the Goodwill because I got more items from the Goodwill. So let's start with Uptown Thrift. I literally got 2 things from there. Well, that's not true. I got 3 things from there. One of which is this handbag, which is so on trend. I love this. I think it's perfect. It is like a straw, very stiff, doesn't move around like what do we call it? Raffia. It's not that. It is like straight up straw. So I love this though. I love the structure of it. This color is so bright, so appropriate for the spring and summer seasons. This was $4.98. It's handmade from the Philippines and it's by the brand La Regal. I paid $4.98 for this and I think it's well worth it. The quality of this is amazing and I think it's cute. So this is really, really nice. This day, everything that was, I think, yellow tag was 10 cents, but y'all didn't find nothing that was a yellow tag, so I was mad about that. And then I also got this really cute pair of earrings. I'm super into vintage earrings, so when I saw these, I thought these were really cute. These were $1.48. And then I also got some beautiful frames, picture frames, certificate frames. They were $1.98. I guess I could go grab one and show them to you. Hold on. Here are the certificate frames that I got. They are stunning. These were $1.98 a piece and I got 5 of these. I am thinking I'm going to put my kids' pictures, my family photos in here and kind of make a wall something situation, but these were so pretty and I just didn't want to leave them. They were in such good condition. They're perfect. There were 2 other ones that were there, but they were cracked or shattered or whatever, and so I left those, but I got all the ones that were perfect. So that is all that I got from Uptown Thrift. Next we are going to move on to Value Village. I picked up a couple of things from Value Village. First things first, if you know me, I love vintage designer stuff. So this is a St. John evening wear 2-piece set. I paid $14.96 for this. It is stunning. It has rhinestones all on it. If you know anything about vintage St. John, baby, it's super expensive and I love that. The quality is amazing. This collar does come off, which is cool, and so do the satin cuffs on the arm. And then it has matching pants, matching knitted pants, which I love. These are navy blue. These fit really, really nicely. I love these. I picked up a few accessories, 2 pairs of earrings and a watch. So here are one pair of earrings that I found. These were $1.98. Really cool vintage earrings. I love these. I love vintage earrings. I think they're so nice, and you can't beat the quality and the style of them. Then next pair I got were these button earrings, silver. These were $1.98 as well. I think they're really nice. I love a good big round earring, so those were cute. And then I also got this really nice tortoise watch. It is a cuff. It is by the brand Chico's, and it's just really cute. I also have a bracelet that I thrifted from the Goodwill that is this tortoise, so it'll go really nicely with that. But this was $3.98, and I thought this was perfect. It's in great shape, and it was, you know, $4 is nothing to me for a quality piece. So I loved that. And then last but certainly not least, from Value Village, I got a pair of Adidas's. Y'all, these are so good. Like, look at these. They look practically brand new. These are a size US 6.5. I'm probably going to share these with my son. I'm a little sad at the fact that my 9-year-old son and I can share shoes now. That's wow. Okay. Wow. Yeah. Anyway, these are 6.5. These were $19.96. They did have a little mark right here on them, and I was like, ooh, let me make sure that'll come off before I buy them, and I did. It came right off, so these literally look brand new. I love them. So that is all that I got from Value Village. Now everything else is from the Goodwill, so let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, first thing is first, from this Goodwill, I picked up these really, like, these are so fun. These are really, really cute. These are by the brand Poetic License, London. These are genuine leather. If you know me, you know I love leopard print. So when I saw these, I was just like taken. I was taken. Like, I love it. The pink accents on here, these beautiful contrasting heels, like, this looks so good with this pink and this green. Like, these are so good, and they're leather. These were $6.29. Y'all know I love a good sandal mule situation, so these were perfect. And I can tell that these are quality. I don't know this brand. I don't know how expensive they are. I just can tell quality. So loved those. From that same Goodwill, I picked up this really nice skirt from Lulu's. And this is what it looks like. It's a mini skirt. I love this. I think that is so fun. The quality is amazing. It is brand new with tags on it. This was $5.79 at the Goodwill, so I was happy to grab this. I could even wear this with, like, these. I know you're like, girl, but yes, I could do it with a denim shirt. That would be super cute. So pick this up. This fits amazingly. I love the scalloped lines on here. This is embroidered. Such good quality. It feels expensive. The quality of it is impeccable. From that same Goodwill, I picked up 3 jackets. The first one that I picked up is this beautiful royal blue silk oriental or Asian inspired jacket. I love this. This was $6.99, and like I said, it's 100% pure silk from Papel Petites, and I love that it has this beautiful, like, ode to oriental wear, but it's also sequin, and y'all know I love a good sequin moment. This even goes with this skirt. That would be a moment together. You know, super cute, super fun. The next jacket that I picked up was this one by the brand Dress Forum. And this was brand new with tags on it as well. This is just a really nice blazer. Y'all, I am back in the office, and so I'm wearing blazers pretty much every single day. So this one was really nice. Real nice casual, dressy kind of blazer with some brown in it. I picked up some brown slacks from the Goodwill. You either will have already seen that, or it's in a haul to come. That will go really nicely. Some super high-waisted ones that will go really, really nicely with this. This is navy blue and brown and like this cream color. Love this. It was, again, brand new with tags. This was $6.99. The last jacket that I picked up from that Goodwill is a cabbie jacket. This is more on the casual side. Love the print of this. The colors look amazing. They're super vibrant. What I love most is the pearl embellishments. Y'all know I love details and like pearls and diamonds and stuff like that. So that was perfect to me on this. This is really, really cute. This will be nice to dress down or up. It can give casual or a little dressy if you want. I love it. Super cute. This was $7.99. The next Goodwill store, I got a lot of stuff. So let's try to get through this pretty quickly. Let's start with dresses. I got this beautiful dress by Baltic Born. This is a beautiful maxi dress. This color gives winter, but I could wear this year round because it is pretty lightweight. I could get away with wearing this in the winter, in the spring and summer. But again, the color pulls more fall, but this is beautiful. It's like that slinky material. It's beautiful. I love it. Just look at it. It's a perfect length, appropriate. I could definitely wear this to church. I could also wear this to work. I like it a lot. I'm sorry, y'all. I sniffed it. I smell everything. If you know, you know. Like, I smell everything. That was $8.99. The next dress that I picked up, OM Jizzle. So this is from Julia Jordan. And it is just this really, really nice black dress. What I love the most about it, and if you know me, then you know. Look at it. Just look at it, sis. Look at it. Tell me what I love. It has faux leather accents on it. I love, 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 love this dress. This was $8.79. But there's more. Wait, there's more. It has pockets. Girl, if you don't get out of here, I promise I'm gonna be wearing this to church, to work, wherever. I could wear this to work if I put on some tights or leggings so that my tattoos don't show. But baby, the details in this dress are amazing. This faux leather accent is so good in the pockets. The material, just everything about this dress is so good. The next dress that I picked up is this beautiful mini dress. This is a faux leather dress. This is by the brand Cedar. And I love it. I love this color. I'm probably not going to style it as a dress because it is really, really, really short. If I do, I will probably do like a white button-up shirt dress underneath it that'll go past the actual length of the dress and try to style it up that way. I have this really cute purse that I want to pair with this, but this chocolate was calling my name. So I had to get this. This was $8.79. Super cute. Super, super cute. Next, I picked up a couple of skirts. Again, this was St. John Day, I guess, because I found this beautiful St. John evening skirt. This red skirt, it does have a slit on the side. This is a beautiful knit material. It's going to be perfect for spring. You could probably get away with wearing it in the cooler summer days, but I probably wouldn't wear it for sun. This is a high quality, thicker knit. So just like that St. John two-piece that I just showed you from Value Village, this is the same material, but it's such good quality. It fits amazingly. I love this. This was $5.79. They clearly didn't know what they had in these St. John pieces because a lot of times, you know, some of the workers don't know what the brands are and they just price it accordingly. And I think that that's how they all should be, but who am I? Next is this really, really cute mini skirt. And when I say mini, honey, I mean mini. This skirt is so short. But I loved it. I loved the pattern and I loved the design of it. So I picked it up again thinking I could probably style it in the same way with a oversized button up or shirt dress. But I loved the pleats in that. And then on the back it has pockets and this is just cute. It's like a wrap skirt, but it is very short. I love the gingham pattern with the sunflowers all over the gingham. I think that's really cute and the color is really nice. So I'll get lots of wear out of that. I'm thinking I can style that with a denim shirt. And then again, I could also style it, like I said, with the shirt dress and then just have that over it. I think that'll be a cute little moment. Next, I picked up a pair of shorts. These are Vince Camuto and these were brand new with tags on them. And yeah, these retail for $99, which what? For some shorts, girl, no. But anyway, I love these. I love the material of them. They feel great. These fit perfectly. I love this little tie that comes with them. These are super, super cute. These were $4.89. So good. So, so good. I don't know what this material is, but it feels really, really nice. And I like the texture that's on them. I don't know if you could see that, but these are really nice. Next, from this Goodwill, I got a pair of slacks. Now, sis, these are very small. These are by the brand Eventual, brand new with tags on them. These were $5.69, but I had to get them because I love the pants, the legs. Like, they're like wide legs, and they've got some pleating going on with them. They've got a pair of shorts built in underneath so that you're not like, so that they're not completely see-through. But I love these. These are super, super cute. They're like an off-white cream color. So good. And these are so cute. Now, like I said, they are a little bit tight, but I had to have them. I can get in them, so there's that. But I probably should lose like a pound or two to get in them the right way. Yeah. Mind your business. In that same vein, I have this blazer that is beautiful, but it's a little snug. I ain't gonna lie to you. So if you're interested in it, I might just have to let this one go. But it was so good, I couldn't leave it. This is by the brand Randolph. Look at the cutouts. Girl, look at that. You can see my hand. Look, that's my hand, girl. I had to have it. I just had to. And it goes around on the sides, baby. But when I say these buttons do not meet, they don't talk, they don't agree, they don't see each other or nothing, that's what I mean. So, but I loved it. This was $6.99, but I had to have this. I have never seen anything like this, and I don't know. I'm torn because I'm like, I don't really want to get small enough to get into this, but I want to get small enough to get into this so I could wear it one good time on y'all, because this is everything. Do you hear me? Girl, this is everything. I mean, and when I say like I cannot fit this, I mean she can't fit it. I mean, she looks silly. She looks silly. Like, no ma'am. So yeah. But it's so cute. It's very nice. Very, very nice. And yeah, I love it. So there's that. The last blazer that I picked up from that Goodwill was this one from Jones, New York. This color is what made me get this. And the fact that it had this beautiful pink in it and this burgundy and this yellow. This is so good. This is a thick, like, winter blazer. This is, I believe, 100% wool. Yeah, 100% wool. So I wouldn't wear this right now, but I will definitely get a lot of wear out of this in the fall, winter, and springtime. This was $6.99. But this is everything. The colors in this, oh, so good. So good. And then last but certainly not least, I did get an accessory. Green was the color of the day on this one. So this was $4.79, but half off. This is a beautiful bracelet by Estee Lauder. This is the Evelyn Lauder Dream Collection, and this is Breast Cancer Awareness 2012. So I thought this piece was gorgeous, and it definitely means something. I think it's in great shape. Y'all know purple is one of my favorite colors. So this was cute. I thought this would be beautiful to add to my collection of jewelry. I could definitely wear this with my gold bangle that I wear all the time, and I just think that is so pretty. So there's that. That is all I have for this thrift haul. I feel like that went a lot quicker than I expected it to. So let me know what you guys thought of this thrift haul. Tell me what your favorite piece was. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you guys next time. Also, hit me up if you're interested in anything. I would love to do some more thrift tours and things like that. So let me know down in the comments what you think about stuff like that. I think that's fun. And I do speak with a lot of you who say like you're from here or Tulsa, which is like only 2 hours away. So maybe we could plan a huge event and shop together. I don't know. You let me know what you think. But that is it for this video. I love you guys so much. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.